In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grid video in CapCut. Creating a grid layout for your videos is a fantastic way to showcase multiple clips at once, whether you're telling a story, creating a comparison, or simply making a visually dynamic edit. CapCut makes this process straightforward and intuitive, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a polished and professional-looking grid. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's jump into the steps. First things first. Open up CapCut and start a new project. This will give you a blank workspace where you can start building your video grid. Think of this as your digital canvas, where all the layers of your project will come together. Next, add your main video to the timeline. If you're using the mobile version of CapCut, simply tap to select your main video and it will automatically be placed on the timeline. On the PC version, you can drag and drop your video directly onto the main timeline at the bottom of the screen. This video will serve as the base layer for your grid, essentially your background canvas that everything else will be built on top of. Now that your main video is set, it's time to add overlays. Overlays are the additional video clips that will appear alongside your base layer to form the grid. On mobile, tap directly on the timeline, then select Overlay and tap Add Overlay. From there, choose your next video from your gallery. If you're on PC, simply drag any additional videos onto the tracks above your main video on the timeline. This method places your clips as layers, making it easy to position and work with each one individually. Once your overlay is added, resize and position it to fit your grid layout. You can use the overlay controls to adjust the size by dragging the edges of the video in or out. If your overlay appears too large or misaligned, don't worry, just drag it into place and make any adjustments needed. The goal here is to ensure the overlay fits neatly into your grid design. After you've positioned your first overlay, repeat the process for each additional video you want to include. Add them one at a time as overlays, resizing and positioning each one. This step-by-step layering process allows you to build up your grid methodically and ensures that each video sits exactly where you want it. Now that all your videos are added and roughly placed, it's time to fine-tune the arrangement. In the preview window, drag and drop each video into its desired layout spot. Whether you want a clip in the top right corner, bottom left, or anywhere else, CapCut makes it easy to position your videos with precision. This is where your grid or split screen effect really starts to take shape. Next, resize each video as needed to ensure everything fits neatly into the grid layout. Take your time here. Proper resizing is key to making sure all the videos align perfectly without any awkward gaps or overlaps. This step is all about balancing the visual layout so that the final result looks clean and professional. If you notice black bars or uneven edges on any of your clips, use the zoom and crop controls to adjust. Zooming in can help remove unwanted borders, while cropping allows you to focus on the most important parts of your video. These tools are especially useful for making the grid look seamless, as they ensure each clip blends smoothly into the overall design. Once you've arranged and resized all your videos, it's time to preview your grid. Play the project back and take a close look at how everything flows together. This is your chance to check that all the videos are aligned, positioned correctly, and visually balanced. If anything looks off, don't worry. You can make adjustments right here. Finally, make any last tweaks to the size, position, or arrangement of your videos. This is the fine-tuning phase, where small adjustments can make a big difference in the overall polish of your project. Once you're happy with how everything looks, your video grid is complete. And that's how you create a grid layout in CapCut. Now you know how to add a base video, layer overlays, and fine-tune everything to create a seamless and professional grid effect. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.